Hi everyone, and welcome to A&P with Dr. O. Let's use the synthetic cadaver to talk about the reproductive system. We have a synthetic cadaver that represents the female reproductive system. What we can see here is we can see the uterus. So we've got the uterus right here. And then we've got these uterine tubes on either side. And then the uterine tubes are going to end in the infundibulum. And then we're going to transition into these finger-like structures known as fimbriae. And they're going to hover over the ovary, which we can see here. Now we have a variety of ligaments to hold things in place. So we've got the ovarian ligament that extends from the uterus to the ovary. So this would be the ovarian ligament. We have the suspensory ligament, which extends from the ovary over to the pelvic wall. Again, here's our ovary, and here would be our suspensory ligament. And then we would have our round ligament. From the uterus, then we would move down to the vagina, and we can see a portion of the vagina here. It's just underneath this external urethral orifice, because here we have the urinary bladder. And if I go ahead and pull the uterus and vagina out a bit more, we'll be able to see the whole thing here. So again, here we have the uterus, here we have the vagina, and there's going to be folds on the inside of the vagina known as rugae. So you'll be able to see and feel these folds when we look at this in the lab. We can also see, when I have everything tucked back into place, the part of the pelvis. So this would be our pubis bone. Here's our pubic symphysis in the middle here. But you can see here, again, that portion of the pelvis. And then again, we've got our urinary bladder, and then we can see our uterus.